Capstone Project is the most important part of the Masters in Business Analytics because it's where students put into practice everything they have learned during the Masters. There are a special set of projects called the TESI projects, which stands for Technology for Social Innovation. Students are introduced to the latest technologies to put these technologies into practice, into a real business case with a social point of view.
It is a very diverse project where you can meet people from different universities, from different backgrounds, people from technological universities.
I was excited to participate in an interdisciplinary project, engaging with students from UPC or IED, and specifically because I wanted to visit CERN.
My project is Alertooth, that it comes from the Esade technology, and it's basically an embedded sensor in the inlay of the tooth. So it's basically a sensor to detect the hemoglobin levels, to detect when you're having an allergic reaction.
The project we made was called Argus. It was using a sensor from other technology we were given to detect how plants were getting infested with pests.
We're utilizing the meta-highlight technology to develop a very advanced fire and flame detector. It can detect the aerosols and chemicals inside the air before the flame even starts.
Our project consists in 3D printing prosthetic pieces with embedded sensors so that doctors can detect the wear level of the central part of our prosthetics to know when is the right time to change the prosthetics.
Once the sensor is created by the company Heidegger, it'll be immediately viable. And that's why we chose what we did.
Our solution is very viable because all the necessary pieces are already existing and in production. So I think it's one step away from being a real-time solution.
The part that I'm most proud of the whole project is how we browsed through almost everything. We did so much research to all the different areas we thought would be interesting.
Putting myself out there and learning everything is very important for me, and it just makes me feel like I've grown.